After watching this video, I will be able to apply the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle theorem is telling me that two remote interior angles, so talking about a triangle, we have an exterior angle, which is any line that's extended out from the triangle. And then two remote interior angles would be angles that are not associated with that outer angle. Those two angles have to add up to equal the exterior angle. So for example, here I have two remote angles. So 32 degrees is one of the angles. The second angle is angle 2, which I do not know the measurement of, but I do know it has to equal the exterior angle of 112. So I can solve for the measurement of angle 2. Angle 2 will equal 112 minus 32. So 80 degrees. In my second example, I have two angles that are remote, and I want to find the measurement of angle MPQ, which would be this exterior angle that's extended from the triangle. So the two remote, 56 plus 45, must equal the exterior angle. So the measurement will be 101 degrees. So this exterior angle theorem applies to everything that has an extended angle and two remote angles. So the two remote are 77 and 5x plus 4. And the theorem says that you can add them together and it will have to equal the exterior angle. So now I can solve for x. I'm going to subtract 5x on both sides. And I'm going to combine like terms. So 77 plus 4 is going to give me 81 equal to 8x minus 7. Add 7 on both sides. 88 will give you equals 8x. Divide by 8. So x is going to equal 11. And then you always want to make sure you answer the question. We want to find the value of x, which we did. So our question is solved. In order to answer this question, we want to find the measurement of angle A. So we're going to have two steps. Step 1 is to find x. So in order to solve for x, we're going to set up an equation where the two remote angles have to add up to equal the exterior angle. So we have 9x minus 8 plus 6x minus 4, and that has to equal the remote angle. And now I will solve for x. So I combined like terms. And now I have a two-step equation. So when I add 12 on both sides, I end up with 15x equal to 135. Then I divide by 15 on both sides, so x will equal 9. Now I have my second step to actually answer the question. So the measurement of angle A was represented by 9x minus 8, but in my previous step, I found that x is actually equal to 9, so I can replace the letter x with the number 9 and evaluate my expression. So 9 times 9 is 81 minus 8, so 81 minus 8 is 73. So the measurement of angle A is going to equal 73 degrees.